In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize lists in Trello. By the end, you'll know simple, reliable ways to keep your board tidy, find what you need faster, and reduce visual clutter so you can focus on getting work done. Start by opening your board. Once you're in, take a quick look at your lists from left to right. Think of this row as your workflow. Items on the left are typically earlier in the process, and items on the right are closer to done. A clear left to right order makes everything easier to scan at a glance. To rearrange lists, click and hold a list header, then drag and drop it into a new position. You'll see the list move with your cursor. Let go when you find the spot that makes the most sense for your process. This doesn't change any cards inside the list. It just updates the order of your workflow. If you're working with a team, agree on a consistent sequence so everyone understands where to look next. Next, let's sort cards within a list. Open the Lists menu by clicking the three dots in the top right of that list. Choose Sort By, then pick what helps you most. Alphabetically for quick name lookups, by due date to surface deadlines, or by creation date to see the newest or oldest cards first. Sorting applies only to the list you're in, so you can set different sorts for different lists based on their purpose. You can reapply sorting anytime, especially after adding new cards. If you need to move a list entirely, use the same list menu and select Move List. This lets you reorder it on the current board or transfer it to another board. Moving a list takes all of its cards along with it, which is great when a project grows and needs its own space, or when you're reorganizing how teams share responsibilities. Finally, reduce visual noise by collapsing lists. Hover over a list header and click the collapse button, or press the # key to shrink it. This is perfect for hiding completed work, parking reference material, or simply clearing your view while you focus on priority lists. It keeps your board manageable without deleting anything. And that's it. Clean, flexible organization in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps. Consider subscribing for more practical workflow tips, and let us know in the comments what you think and how we can improve future videos. Thanks for watching.